Hey Q, good to see you today.
Hey, same here.
Yep. So today we're out on a roof here. We're in Point Siena, and thanks for joining us. The homeowner asked us to go ahead and come out and treat this house, and we wanted to set up a really good visual so that you can see the before and after on this roof. So the whole back side of the house has been treated 2 days ago with Roof Maxx, and then we left the whole front side of the house untreated in what it was its original condition. So as you can see, there's a definite line here on the treated side and the untreated side, so you can go ahead and see physically the difference in the flexibility of the shingle before and after on the exact same product. So let's go ahead and take a look at these shingles.
Let's do it.
All right. Okay, so this side of the roof is untreated, so I wanted to show you the condition of what it was prior to the Roof Maxx treatment. As you can see, it's real dry and real rigid. It's real.
Oh yeah, that doesn't have any flexibility.
It's real,
right there.
Real stiff. And unfortunately, over time, when these shingles start to go ahead and dry out, the seal tabs also go ahead and dry out underneath. So any big windstorms, wind-driven rain, it pushes underneath. It continues to rip that seal tab, and then if the shingle isn't flexible, a lot of times it tears and rips off the roof, and that's why you see a lot of people missing shingles. So a rejuvenated shingle, a new shingle, is not going to do that. But this is the condition of the roof prior to the treatment. As you can see, it's just real stiff and rigid.
And that explains the reason why the cracking occurs at the very top where they're fastened down at, because of it's being so rigid. When there's any type of wind load, it crease that at the top because there's no flexibility. Of course, you don't want the shingles to be loose. That's another indication that it's a little older.
It's so important for these homeowners to have a Roof Maxx technician come out once a year and take a look at the condition of the roof, even if it's to just make sure that these seal tabs are tight. People can go ahead and look up at the roof from the ground and say, you know what, that roof looks good, but in the windstorms, everything's flapping up here. So.
Definitely.
But let's take a look at the rejuvenated shingle over here.
Go.
All right, so here we are on the rejuvenated side of the roof. So as you can see, behind us is not yet treated. We're going to treat the rest of the roof here today, but this was 2 days ago. We pulled up this seal tab here to go ahead and show you the flexibility. So why don't you take a look?
Let's take a look here. Oh yeah, that's great. That's good flexibility there. This is pretty amazing.
If you actually feel closer to the granular layer.
Yeah, I noticed the granules are very intact here. They're not sliding off as you continue to move the shingle back and forth. So yeah, this looks great.
That's what a shingle's supposed to be doing. It needs to expand and contract, and we need to have that flexibility. And then the oils that we put into this roof, it's going to give that extra layer of not only flexibility but waterproofing, almost like a duck's feathers. You know, the water beads up and rolls off. So we can't let these roofs get dried out, and it's important to go ahead and maintain with Roof Maxx.